There has been this 4-day-old article about a seabird which was spotted in Leicestershire for the first time since 2007. A little auk was caught on camera at Leicestershire Cathedral on Monday, but it was being carried in the beak of one of the city's resident peregrines. According to the RSPB, small numbers of little auks visit waters around the UK in winter. LROS said the bird was a rare vagrant to the county, with the last recorded sightings being in 2007 and 1997. LROS said a second little auk was spotted flying around at nearby Rutland Water. Before it had got predated by the peregrine, it must have gotten blown off course by that storm Dara or something.